The design of the shuttle is everything is engineered so that it is minimal or no maintenance. And what we found on sites, the biggest maintenance is keeping the sensors clean. So the tools required is either a little brush or an air blower to make sure, and that's just part of good housekeeping. The other things that the shuttle does, it's a bit like your modern car. If you go back 20 years, if you were going on a journey of about 100 miles, you'd check the oil, check the tyre pressures, check the fan belt was okay, and all the rest of it. What you do now is you get in, turn the key and go. And that's the design that's on this. And when the car needs a service, it tells you. And this is exactly the same. On the remote control, when the shuttle needs a service, if your shuttle has any issues at all with regards to motors overheating, wheels slipping, there's all sensors in there that will appear on the remote and tell you that you've got an issue. So basically, the intelligence is all built into the machine so that the maintenance can just fit into a standard schedule. So minimum maintenance.